peer pressure poor families because poor person to watch social media videos and try to in daily life use and poor parents demanding high demanding and if you talk to about positive views when our classroom is my friend is first and we copied to her hard working and thank you.
Shabash.
I belong to Bhadra. It is small place in Sikar district of Rajasthan. My father's name is Mola. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Sandra Devi. She is a house lady. I have passed our class in 2020 from both of the senior secondary school Kawad. Now I'm doing BSc final year from MDS University Ajmer. My hobbies are playing cricket and volleyball and supporting my father doing his work. I want to become an airman because it is my childhood dream and it's give me an opportunity to summer country. Thank you. Now I'm doing discuss the topic. Then given us a peer pressure. What is peer pressure? Peer pressure means our society and our country, someone is copy that he will achieve a good opportunity to our country. So we will copy us and achieve the goal and we will be famous and so peer pressure negative and positive. We will discuss the topic of positive things. Peer pressure that you know that friends that our student men and women we were selected in government job. So our this group member, a person selected in a army soldier, become a soldier, become a airman. So we will be copy that and motivate him and become a soldier. So this is a positive thing. And negative, we will discuss the negative thing. Our group member he smoke cigarette and drinking alcohol. We will copy that, and we will be addicted for the drink and drink alcohol and cigarette. So we will be destroy our career and destroy our study and destroy our family's career. So I will suggest that the peer pressure you will copy the positive thing, not copy the negative thing the peer pressure. Negative thing the peer pressure because you will copy the negative thing of peer pressure, you destroy your career. So I will just suggest my friends that you will copy only the positive thing of peer pressure. Thank you.
Sanjay Kumar Sharma, I belong to Karwar district in Rajasthan. My father name is Bhagwan Sai Sharma, he is a farmer, and my mother name is Ranji Sharma, he is a single house lady. I passed 12th class 90% from MCLS Public School in 2020. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Now I want to become an airman because it is my childhood dream. Today is discuss about topic peer pressure. What is peer pressure? Peer pressure is a young and children try to look like a group members, but is wrong. When saw my friend party and function, he looks like he wearing new dress and standing bikes and he try to include their life, but it is wrong. Peer pressure is a demerits and merits, positive or negative. It is a positive, it destroys our career. It is a negative sense. And but a friend can be hard work and he imply in their life is a positive sense. Thank you.
शाबाश बेटा.
देखिए एक चीज जैसे आप बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं डॉक्टर फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स आर स्पीकिंग वेरी गुड. आपको इसमें कई सारी बातें याद करनी चाहिए. जैसे आप ये कह सकते हैं हाउ कैन वी अवॉइड फ्रॉम पीर प्रेशर. My dear friends, in the early age whenever the boys and the girls are influenced by their company members. Company members means when they are living with the group. जिस ग्रुप के साथ में वो रह रहे होते हैं. My dear friends, we should remember always one thing. Till achieving our target, we should not deserve or demand for the respect. Yes or no? आज के यूथ की बेटा सबसे बड़ी समस्या क्या है? The main problem of our youth today that he wants to respect. क्या चाहता है वो? Respect by his friends, by his colleagues, without working hard or without achieving their targets. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आपको देखने को मिलेगी कि वो बगैर मेहनत करे, बगैर कुछ अच्छा किए, लोगों से ये उम्मीद करते कि लोग हमें क्या है? Respect करें. On the behalf of dresses, on the behalf of bike stands, and they are drinking, they are smoking, and involved in the sexual activities. They want to show off their friends that I am a special person among of you. कि मैं आप सभी के बीच में क्या हूँ? एक special person हूँ. What are the causes of that? That's we doing. We are astray, leaning from our target. The path on which we have proceeded, that is very wrong. But we should avoid from the peer pressure. That can be done if we do not want to respect. Yes or no? यदि हम रेस्पेक्ट की चिंता ना करें, और मैं आपसे क्लास में भी सदैव की बात कहता हूँ बेटा, अगर इस अर्ली एज में, इस यूथ में अगर आप डिमांड नहीं करते हो किसी रेस्पेक्ट की, then sure and definitely you will get success soon. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सफलता मिलेगी. And having got the success, then everyone praise you and everybody gives you respect. और वो भी कैसा होगा? Unlimited. You will get new and new friends. आप लड़कियों को भी टारगेट कर सकते हैं, आप लड़कों को भी टारगेट कर सकते हैं, लड़कियों को टारगेट कर सकते हैं. क्या देखते हैं आप? My dear friends, I see in the function and parties when the girls are coming, they are wearing a short clothes to observe and to focus the party on them particular. Yes or no? Yes sir. This is the peer pressure. We see our friend has a new bike, and we also go to our house and we demand from our parents, but they are unable to provide us. These are the things that we demand with them. Then this is the first step that creates worry in your mind, and you go in big anxiety, and you distract from your target. You think, how can I achieve a bike? How can I achieve a new dress? These are the some points, and these are the some things that can spoil your career. You will go to steal, you will go to shoplifting. There are many things that will curtail you from your confidence. आपकी confidence से आपको क्या लगने नहीं चला, and that will make you demotivate. You have the extra negative points in your minds that will also extract you from your path. Yes or no? Yes sir. Yes. किसका नंबर है बच्चे?
Yes, my dear friend, there are many types of peer pressure. If you talk about it, yes, my dear friend, there are many types of peer pressure. If we see that our friend buy a mobile phone, that we demand it our parents, but our parents many times unable to provide these things. It is also peer pressure. It is also peer pressure. If you talk about the merits of peer pressure, if whenever we see that our friend go in class first and he working hard, but in the present time we see that our youth want to become famous in a short time. They are not doing the hard work. Thank you.
When we see our daily life, that peer pressure many times being harmful. Like a person is a person who is well mannered and he has a good academic record, and other person want to become like her, and he tries his best, but he cannot become like this. So he go in depression, and many times it results very wrong. Like he also try to commit suicide because he does not know about the peer pressure. We should avoid peer pressure because every person is different quality and every person is different talent. We cannot compete with anyone. We can see in our daily life a person, my friend, if I talk about an example. If my friend buy a new car and a new bike, then I want to inside my husband, I like to buy purchase a bike because my family is not capable for to buy. So I request my family, and many times I will be become stubborn. I because to my family, but they are not capable. So it is peer pressure. It is a mental over that if we are not capable for any doing, we should not avoid stress. We should avoid stress because it is not capability of every person is equality. Every person has not equality. So we should avoid peer pressure and do like they want stress mark and say we do. Thank you.
our best, but it is that we are doing by the peer pressure. ये जो हम कर रहे हैं ये किसके द्वारा कर रहे हैं? peer pressure के द्वारा. My dear friends, if we are unable to achieve that target, then the difficulties at the last will be at a large number, because we feel in ourselves shy, defame in our society. So I think we should avoid completely the peer pressure and we should energize to do any work by ourselves. हमारे खुद के द्वारा ही हमको क्या रहना चाहिए? एनर्जाइज रहना चाहिए. यस और नो? पीर प्रेशर का अपनी जिंदगी में आप क्या ना लेना बेटा? बिल्कुल भी अपने आप को उसके तरफ ना ले जाए, क्योंकि पीर प्रेशर से आप दूर रहोगे. अपने जो आइडियाज हैं, अपनी जो फीलिंग्स हैं, then you can control them and you can get good step towards that you want to achieve. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Shabash. Yes.